So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Royal Bank of Canada stock or RBC stock, ticker symbol RY in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the bottom search option right here, so the magnifying glass, and press on that. Then go to the search bar at the top and type in search, type in ticker symbol RY. For RBC. So as you can tell under stocks here, Royal Bank of Canada, press on that. Once that is done, press on buy at the bottom. Now if you wanted to change it over from a fractional buy to a market buy or whatever, press at the top here where it says fractional buy, and then you can select market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy. But we're just going to go ahead for this demonstration and just keep fractional buy. Type in the amount of money you want to invest. So I'm just going to go with $1 for this demonstration, and then press on continue. Now to confirm your order, pretty simple. Just press confirm order at the bottom, and there you go. That is how to buy Royal Bank of Canada stock, ticker symbol RY in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.